Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the most detailed and honest reviews. Today, we're checking out something that could revolutionize how you prepare your favorite plant-based milks and more in the kitchen. If you're someone who enjoys making fresh, nutritious beverages at home, the 10-in-1 nut milk maker might be exactly what you've been looking for. This isn't just any kitchen appliance. This is an all-in-one solution that promises to handle everything from almond milk to oat milk, soy milk, and even rice paste. Let's see what this powerful machine has to offer. This nut milk maker boasts 10 functions in one sleek machine, which is a pretty impressive feature. You can use it to make everything from almond milk, oat milk, and soy milk to smoothies, rice paste, and even hot water for tea or coffee. With a large 50 Oz capacity, it's designed for those who like to make big batches of their favorite beverages, whether it's for a busy family or for someone who likes having options ready throughout the week. You can also program it with a delay timer, letting you set it to start anywhere from 1 to 24 hours in advance. So imagine having your oat milk ready first thing in the morning, or keeping your milk warm until you're ready to use it. It's all about making life easier and more convenient. But let's dive into the real-world experience. First off, setting this thing up was as simple as it gets. The machine comes with everything you need to get started: power cord, measuring cup, cleaning brush, filter, nut milk bag, and even a recipe book to spark your creativity. I decided to start with a classic, homemade almond milk. The instructions were straightforward. I added my almonds, hit the button, and the machine got to work. The 10-blade stainless steel design and quadrangular stirring column really made a difference. It blended everything smoothly and quickly, and I was impressed by how fine the almond milk turned out. The texture was smooth, not grainy, which can be a problem with lesser machines. Now, as for performance, the motor on this thing is powerful. It runs smoothly, but it's not overly loud, which is a huge plus if you're making it in the morning. The delay start function worked as expected, so I was able to prep everything the night before and wake up to freshly made, warm milk. It also offers the keep warm feature, which kept the milk at just the right temperature, whether I was serving it immediately or saving it for later in the day. I didn't have to rush either. This feature was handy when hosting a breakfast or brunch. In terms of cleaning, this nut milk maker does not disappoint. The one-touch self-cleaning feature works as advertised. After pouring out the almond milk, I just added water, and the machine cleaned itself with no fuss. The 3/4 stainless steel interior helps make the cleaning process even easier, preventing any buildup from sticking around. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the 50 Oz capacity is perfect for making larger quantities, which is ideal for families or anyone who needs to prepare multiple servings at once. The powerful motor, along with those 10 blades, results in a finer, smoother texture compared to other milk makers. The fact that it offers 10 different functions makes it extremely versatile. It's not just for milk, but for a variety of beverages and other preparations. Additionally, the self-cleaning function is a real time saver and adds to the convenience. On the downside, while the machine is generally quiet, it can get a bit noisy during the blending process, especially when you're making thicker substances like rice paste. It's nothing too disruptive, but it's worth mentioning. Another thing to note is that it does require some planning if you're using the delay start function. While it's convenient, you'll need to be prepared to load your ingredients in advance. If you're looking for something that's truly instant, this isn't quite that. Now, let's talk about value for money. This nut milk maker sits in a competitive price range, but it packs in a lot of functionality for the cost. Compared to similar products, like the Soyajoy G4 or the Almond Cow, this one stands out due to its large capacity, 10-in-1 versatility, and powerful motor. The accessories that come included add even more value, particularly the nut milk bag and recipe book, which can help you experiment with different recipes. However, if you're mainly looking for a machine that's just for almond milk, there are cheaper alternatives out there, but they won't give you the same range of capabilities. When comparing this to other options on the market, like the previously mentioned Soyajoy G4, it's clear that the nut milk maker offers more variety in terms of what it can do. The G4 is great for making plant-based milks, but it lacks the multifunctionality and the 50-aughts capacity of this machine. However, if you're just looking for a machine to make your nut milk and don't need the extras like rice paste or the ability to boil water, then you might find the G4 more suited to your needs and budget. As for build quality, this nut milk maker feels solid. The stainless steel interior adds durability and makes it feel like a long-lasting investment. From what I've tested, it should hold up well over time, and it doesn't feel flimsy or prone to wear. The accessories are all well built too. Since I haven't had it for long enough to judge long-term reliability, I can only speak to its initial performance, which has been stellar. In terms of customer support, I didn't have to interact with the company's customer service directly, but based on the brand's reputation for other appliances, I'd expect a reasonable response time and a solid support team. If anything goes wrong, you can typically rely on them for help. So, where do we land with the 10-in-1 nut milk maker? It's a powerful and versatile kitchen tool that delivers on its promises. If you're looking for a multifunctional, large-capacity machine that can handle a variety of beverages, this one definitely fits the bill. It does a great job at making nut milks, juices, rice paste, and more, with the added benefits of self-cleaning and a delay start feature. If you're someone who makes big batches of milk or likes the idea of an all-in-one appliance that can handle multiple tasks, it's worth considering. However, if you're just after a basic milk maker and don't need all the bells and whistles, there are more affordable, simpler options out there. Ultimately, this nut milk maker is an excellent option for those who want more than just a basic appliance and are looking for something that can handle a variety of kitchen tasks with ease. Thank you for watching Reviews Inside TV. If you've got any questions or thoughts about the nut milk maker, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest reviews. See you next time, where we'll be bringing you more insights on the best gadgets for your home.